Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to remove restrictions from PDF file without password. Cocosenor PDF Unprotect Tuner can help remove or recover the restricted editing password from PDF documents with simple clicks. Then, you can edit, save, copy, share, or print the contents. Get the software in your computer. Okay, now open the software. Click the Add button to add your restricted PDF file. Well, click the Start button. Wow, the protected password is removed successfully. Now you can see that an unprotected copy of the document is in the same location. You can open and edit the content freely. That's all. Thanks for watching.